I'm feeling. Here we go.
Taking it easy, getting to his balls, the best bit.
Oh.
Oh, his experience with the ball.
That's a good idea.
And puke in the fish tank.
See, I didn't say it like that.
That'll be 6, so.
Muffins versus dirty.
Oh my god!
Accidentally. Accidentally.